and this is class 8B. Today we have arranged a debate. Our topic is village life versus town life. This group is favoring village life and this group is favoring town life. Let's start with village life.
Hello Nama friends, this is Parallel from class 8B and I am favoring of village life. I think village life is more better than town life because village life contains pure environment, clean environment and water is pure. And in comparison of village, town have so many pollution everywhere. So let's continue, Pius.
Yes, you say that's a reality that town life contains many pollutions and village life contains many pure environment. But it is not sufficient. But because we are living, people live in for living jobs and opportunities, business are also important. So for our living requirement, business is also important. What is your suggestion?
Nowadays, village people also do own business and do some jobs like their own cultivation and they cultivate crops, teaching profession, medical profession, etc.
I think cultivation is not a job.
But teaching
But in village life there were so many backward people. But in town life there were so many rich people, and in villages there were no rich people and there were no living correctly.
No, I think village people also live with correctly and unity. Village people have unity in together because village people live with unity and peacefully. Let's continue with Aman.
I think that village life is better than town life because in village life all the person live in unity and like a family members, and we see in village all the people like a blood relation and brotherhood, and in the education facilities also good in village life, and all the facility are also available in the present time in village.
Yes, it is. There is many facility in villages, but those facilities they have got is provided by the people of town, and mostly people of villages are not that kind of smart. They are primitive and backward, and the people of towns are more educated and smart.
As it is true that town of people are more educated and talented, but village people is also talented, and according to the 5 years database, the many toppers of UPSC and NEET and IIT in the big exams is also belong to the village. Like that, we are give for examples of the UPSC toppers Srishtijan Deshmukh, Divya Bharti and Safina Shansars and many more. And the IIT topper of 2016 is Piyush Kumar, is also belong to the village. Then I think that education facility is also good in village.
Okay, can you tell me the useful benefits, the growing benefits of villages than towns?
Many benefits are also in a place like farming and kind your information. I say you that the great search engine Google says the soul of the India is called the village, and the 65% of India population is also living village. Let's continue with Ansu.
I am Ansu Kumar from class 8B. Today I am favoring about village life. I think that village life is more better than town life in crime rates and so many pollutions in town life, and diseases are available in town life. So what is your opinion?
In town life there are so many facilities and in town there are no crime rates because there are protections of police. What is your opinion?
In town, crime rate is also in some days there are in Madhupur one crime is also done. So I think that, and you say that the ability of many things is also in village. There is so many jobs like Manrega, teaching, and so many cow farming and cultivation. And what is
in village there are few amount of employment, but in town there are many type of employment, and all things are available easily in town.
And in village, all things are easily available. In village life, so many pure water, air, food, and so many things like his own business. Then continue with money.
Say it. Say it.
My name is my name is Sudhanshu Kumar, and I am favoring town life. And my opinion is town life is much better than village life because we can easily find all facility like medical facility, higher education, and library and other things. I can easily find out that who costly books easily find out through the library, and all people are richest in town life, and easily to travel of facility available like a station and bus also.
Yes, I know that town life has many facilities, but village life has also many facilities like PC culture, viticulture, agriculture. So what are the...
But I want to ask a question that pisciculture are not cultivated in villages. It was cultivated in town life.
No, in village have many dams, ponds.
Dam ponds also present in town life, and lack of electricity village, and muddy road, and also all roads are made by clay, and every year prepare and every year made by house muddy clay, through the clay.
You say medical facility are easily available in town, but village people are good immunity system, and we are not need to good medical facility. Our ancestors provide us so medical facilities like Ayurveda facilities. What is your opinion?
But you say that it is not sufficient that only Ayurvedic treatment is so essential, because there are just like corona is not for the Ayurvedic treatment.
But you know, in the time of COVID-19, all peoples of town are easily came to village for their better environment, because village contains better environment than town, and town has everywhere pollution. So COVID-19 takes place easily and in large amount. What is your opinion in this matter?
But if village people are suffered from corona, what he can do? He can go to the town and get treatment. What is your suggestion?
Please repeat your question. Repeat your question.
Okay. If town village people get suffered from a corona, how he can get treatment? He go to the town and get treatment.
We know that the symptoms of COVID-19 is cold and fever. As you know, in village, cold fevers are normally, all peoples get easily cold and fever by any matter. And in village, this illness are very normally, because in village, all peoples get easily better health in cold or fever.
So why he came to the town for treatment?
When they went to town, I say again that the village person have good immunity system. Then why they get ill?
Is it sufficient that only immunity system is good, is better?
Yes.
Let's continue with.
No, all village people are come for corona vaccine in town.
I think all illness or all disease are spread by pollution. In town, everywhere pollution, and in comparison of town, village have no pollution. So why disease can be spread?
But
But corona vaccine was not spread from a pollution. And all people are come in the town for corona vaccine.
In the period of corona, all town people are come in village. Why?
Because all business was stopped, so they come in village. Corona vaccine is available by the government, not available by the towns.
But
Let's continue to another.
the factor is business is not important. They have came to village. You have said that people have came to villages for their treatment because of the nature. But town also has the usefulness and benefit of the nature. We have made many wildlife sanctuaries, national park to promote the harmony of the wildlife and natural vegetation.
In village, we also do the business. In the we do the commercial farming. In the we grow the large amount of paddies and maize. And kind of information say that in India's there are 65% of exporter of the paddies and the species.
Paddy is important, but only cultivation is not important because that time, Corona time, people have raised to be more aware. They have given many factors like wash your hand properly and use sanitizer, and all the things are only available in towns only.
How can you say that cultivation is not important? You know that the important source of our life is food, and food is grown by the farmers who live in village.
We can't say that cultivation is not important, but after cultivation, many things are also important. Just like job, business opportunities, and medical facilities are also important.
Medical facilities and education facilities also available in village. So that I think that village life is